we've had an unfortunate incident. Can you show the camera your finger? Look. Look at that. Look, we'll try to wipe it off. Wipe. Did it work? Is it all gone?
No.
No, it's still there. Oh, man. Guess we're going to have to chop it off. We can chop it off?
I just said mama.
Oh, should we wait for Mama?
Yeah.
I don't know. I could just go grab a knife and we could just chop it off right now.
You will hold me.
That would hurt you?
Yeah.
So you're saying we should not chop off your finger?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me see that black mark. That looks permanent. I think, what if we just chop off the fingernail? Just the top part. No? We can't chop it off?
No.
Why not?
You should be humming.
Okay, I guess you're right. Do you think Carrie's joking?
Yeah.
Yeah, Carrie's just kidding. Can I kiss your finger? I would never chop off your little finger. Say, no way.
No.
No way.
You can touch